welcome back to my channel. Today's adventure is in Baniyas. I reached Jabal Dana Jetty to board Sirbaniyas ferry. This ferry will take us to the island. After reaching the island, we will be taken to the resort by bus. On the way, we saw great number of antelopes grazing on the rich grass. After few minutes, we reached our resort. While my father was busy doing the formalities of checking, I decided to hug the peacocks and gazelles, but they kept running away from me. Then we were taken to our villa. Near the villas, we could see gazelles, peacocks, and rock hyrax. At last, I reached my room. Just behind our villa was a tree villa where lived so many peacocks. I tried my luck again. I went to hug them again. And to my surprise, I found two peacocks spread their feathers for me. This was the most surprising moment of my life. All the peacocks came near my pool. Even a gazelle came near our pool. But when my mother stood up to take the camera, it ran away. So, my advice to you guys, if you come here, keep your camera ready near your seat. If a gazelle comes, don't stand up from your seat. We are going for the wildlife safari. seal are very shy. 1, 2, 3, run! Arabian sand gazelle are very brave and want to be famous in Instagram. This is the antler of Indian spotted deer. The beautiful sunset, our safari ended and we went back to our villa. I'm all ready for the second activity, nature walk. A peacock is sleeping on a tree. Oops, I woke him up. These are the horns of Arabian sand gazelle. This is the skull of Arabian sand gazelle. This is the skull of Indian spotted deer. At last, I found the giraffe. There are so many of them. Guys, I got a small peacock feather. After my breakfast, on the way back to my villa, I spotted 2 rock hyrax. I'm going for the mangrove channel kayaking. It's going to be very exciting. In the middle of the mangrove channel, there was a bird nest. Meet osprey. trying out my skills in kayaking.